Let's take a look who this course is for and what are the pre-requirements for this course. This course is for graphic designers or people with a little bit knowledge in image manipulation or vector-based softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, or anything else like CorelDRAW, who are not familiar how to create animation for their still graphics. And what are the pre-requirements, what you need before starting this course? Nothing more just a creative thinking mind. You have to think like a designers. You have to think how to create something by mixing each other. And if you don't know, we will take through it with our lessons. The next thing is self-confidence. You have to trust on yourself that you can be a motion graphic artist and you can learn motion graphic, and this is very important to have a trust on yourself. On the next lesson, we will get through the important concepts and fundamental steps to enter in motion graphic, and every motion graphic artist before starting to the actual project must know all of these fundamentals.